Trees are a very important feature in most farming systems. You find trees in the home gardens, you find trees in the pasturelands, you find trees in the crop fields, in live fences, in many different scenarios in the farm. Farmers keep the trees because they are useful. They are good for livelihoods, they provide timber, they provide fruits, they provide medicine and firewood, but also they provide some environmental services like conservation of biodiversity, soil cover to prevent soil erosion, and contribution to the water cycle. Now they store carbon, which is very important for mitigation of climate change. However, most trees in the farming systems are suboptimal in design and management. And it's always a question of why it is so. Well, it seems that farmers really don't know a lot about managing the interaction between trees and crops. And in the case of trees, because they are very big, shading is a major issue in the interaction between trees and crops and animals. And farmers really need to know more about how to manage this very important interaction. That's why we focus on the development of the ShadeMotion. ShadeMotion is a software, it's an internet-based software. It's very simple to use, and most importantly, the input data that is needed to run simulation on ShadeMotion to help in the design of the shading of an agroforestry system is very simple. Most of the information needed to run a simulation in ShadeMotion is very easily known by farmers, like the size of a crown, the shape of a crown, whether it shed the leaves, when it shed the leaves, is it a light crown or is it completely blocks the path of the sun rays or not. So the input data is very simple, and the simulations are very powerful. So don't wait anytime. Go to the internet and do ShadeMotion.net.